Hello, welcome to this live broadcast on Alliance in Motion Global. My name is Masagana Sedkwe and I am an entrepreneur with Alliance in Motion Global. In this presentation, I'm going to speak about linear income versus residual income. If you have been following my presentations, you will remember that I always speak about residual income and encourage people to do something that will give them residual income. So in this presentation, I'm going to speak about linear income, which is the alternative to residual income. And I'll also speak about residual income. Then I'll show you how business owners use residual income to become rich and how in Alliance in Motion Global you can also use residual income to become rich. So once again, you are welcome. Now, what is linear income? Linear income is income that you earn by trading your time for money. It is directly related to the number of hours that you work. And so if you work 8 hours every day, you are paid for 8 hours every day. I have to say that more than 90% of the people in the world earn linear income. Every day, you have to start from zero. If you must be paid for a day, you must work for that day. You can never say you are not going to work for a particular day, but expect to be paid because you have worked in a previous day. No. Every day, if you must be paid, you must start to work for that day. So you always have to start from zero. And so, the big disadvantage why I am not a fan of linear income is that no work, no pay. If for any reason you can no longer work, then you will no longer earn income. Employees are one of the main people who earn linear income in this world. Another disadvantage is that your income is limited. Why? Because if you use your time to work for income and everybody has 24 hours in a day, it means that you can never give more than 24 hours in a day. So your income is always limited to 24 hours a day. And there's no way you can become rich if you are living on 24 hours every day. You need to enjoy more than 24 hours in a day to become rich. Let's talk about residual income. Residual income is income that keeps coming on a regular basis from work you did once. It is not directly related to the number of hours you work, and you don't have to start from zero every day because your income is an accumulation of work you have done in the past in addition to work that you are currently doing. Meaning that all the work you have done in the past is still paying you individually. So your income is putting together all your income from all the different days of work that you have done. Therefore, if you stop work, your previous day's work will continue to give you income. So in residual income, there's nothing like no work, no pay. No work, still you get paid. And your income is unlimited because you can enjoy more than 24 hours of work if you are enjoying residual income. So now let me use the example of business owners to show you how they use the power of residual income to make a lot of money. Let's say a business owner has 1,000 employees and each of them work 8 hours a day. Meaning in a day, the employees generate 8,000 hours of work. Because they are working for the business owner, what it means is that the owner of the business is actually the one that is enjoying all the 8,000 hours of work. So, because he is enjoying 8,000 hours of work every day, and all the income that comes from the 8,000 hours of work belong to him, he becomes rich. Then at the end of the month, he pays the employees salary, which is based on the number of hours they have worked. Meaning that the owners of the business use the employees to generate residual income for themselves, but they pay the employees linear income. So if you are an employee, then your employer is using you to make residual income for himself, then he pays you linear income. That is why I always encourage people, do something, even if it is in addition to your employment, that will give you residual income. So once you are enjoying linear income from your employers, you are also enjoying residual income from whatever you are doing in addition. And I'm happy to tell you that Alliance in Motion helps you to use a similar system to create residual income. Don't forget, the owner of this business has leveraged himself in the 1,000 employees or multiplied himself in them. That is why as they are working, he is making money. This same system operates in Alliance in Motion. So let's say that this is you. You have joined Alliance in Motion Global. Our compensation plan is binary, meaning that you develop only 2 sales forces. And so technically, you need only 2 people to start the development of the 2 sales forces. So you place one on your left, and then you place the other on your right. Because it is a binary system, these people will also be expected to bring 2 people each. And these new people will also bring 2 people each. These new people will also be expected to bring 2 people each. And that is how it is going to continue till infinity. Everybody who joins will be expected to bring 2 people each. When you do that, you develop a network of distributors. One on the left, another on the right. Let's say that after 2 years or 3 years, with hard work and helping the people under you to also work hard, you get, let's say, 2,000 people under your network. There are people in Alliance in Motion who in 5 years have gotten more than 100,000 people under their network. But let me just say you get 2,000 people. Let's assume you are decided that you are only going to work for 2 hours every day. So you will work 2 hours every day. And each of these 2,000 will also work 2 hours every day. Meaning that the people under your team will give a total of 4,000 hours of work every day. Like the business owner, because these people are under your team, anything they do in the business, you also earn from it. So you are also going to earn from the 4,000 hours of work that is going to be put in by the 2,000 people under your network. And that is how you leverage yourself in the people under your network, so that as they are working the 4,000 hours, you are also earning income. That is how you can also become rich in Alliance in Motion Global. Now, I told you residual income is income that you get after working once, but you keep getting it. So let's say that after you work for a while and you got your 2 people and help some few people to also get these people, you decide that you are going to stop work. This is what will happen. Your 2 hours is what is going to go off. But the 4,000 that is produced by the 2,000 will still be there, and you will still be earning from it. So you can stop work, but because you have leveraged yourself in the people under you, you earn residual income from their hours they put into the business. This is a big difference between you and the employee, who when he doesn't work anymore will not earn. But in M Global, after you build your team, you can decide to stop work, and yet you will be earning residual income from the activities of your team. This is why I always encourage people go after residual income. And I will invite you to join us in AIM Global so we enjoy residual income together. The good news is that in AIM Global, we are part-time friendly. So you keep your employment and start with the little time you have. 2 hours every day after work. And a few hours you get on the weekends. You can build a successful team in AIM Global. All you need is a phone that can connect to the internet with Facebook. Just connect with your friends on Facebook. And that is mostly what I do. Just make new friends on Facebook and talk to old friends on Facebook. Introduce them to the business, explain the business to them, answer their questions, and if they are ready to join the business, you direct them as to how and the process they must follow to join. As they join, they form part of your team. And then you also encourage and teach them how they can use a phone with internet and Facebook to also make money in the business. And as they are building their team, your team is also growing. This is how it is that we are doing this business successfully. Even though we are full-time working somewhere else. We are doing it part-time. If we can do it successfully, you can also do it. So don't just rely on linear income. If you can't work again, you will not earn. Join us. Let's start earning residual income. Very soon, as you start making money from a lot of people, you realize that what you make in 1 year in your employment, you can make it in 1 week in Alliance in Motion Global. This is how we have secured our lives. And I want to invite you to help join us so we will help you to help yourself to also make a lot of money using the power of residual income in Alliance in Motion Global. So you are welcome to the wonderful world of Alliance in Motion Global, where we turn ordinary people into extraordinary multi-millionaires. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Happy Business Day.